Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. My dear student, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to study the second lecture from Hazrat Usman, and today's lecture is about the election of Hazrat Usman as a Khalifa. Let's start study the topic. So basically in this topic you need to keep few points in your mind, and those points will help you to write down the information, and those points will help you to write down the answer in the proper way. Okay. For example, what are those points? Number one, first of all, you need to write down the background of this. This can also be known as start. Then comes the name of 6 people who was nominated by Hazrat Umar on his deathbed. Then comes role of Hazrat Abdurrahman bin Auf. Then comes the end or Bayat, General Bayat. Okay. On his deathbed, Hazrat Umar actually nominated 6 people, committee of 6 people, that next Khalifa should be choose from these 6 people, and mutual consultation should be over there. So who are those next people? Number 1, Hazrat Ali. Number 2, Hazrat Usman, Hazrat Zubair, and number 4, Abdurrahman bin Auf. Number 5, Hazrat Talha, and number 6 is Hazrat Saad bin Abi Waqqas. So these are the 6 people which was nominated by Hazrat Umar to be the next Khalifa of Islam. All these people were the important member of Islamic community. Number 1, why he chose these people? Why he nominated these people? All these people were the prominent member of the Islamic community, and number 2, all were from the 10 blessed companion. All 6 were from the list of the 10 blessed companion, which has been given glide to them by the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. And number 3, these people were in the Majlis Shura, was a part of Majlis Shura made by Hazrat Umar all the time. So that is why these were the wise men, these were the brain of Muslim community of that time, and these people were with the Holy Prophet from the beginning. They know that actually how to do the things all the time. So these 6 people were chosen by Hazrat Umar. It was a wise decision. Okay. During the Hazrat Umar, actually Hazrat Abdurrahman actually was a prominent companion from the list. But before starting this topic, you need to keep one point in your mind. On his deathbed, Hazrat Umar said that if Hazrat Abu Ubaidah bin Jarrah would alive today, I would mention him as my successor. So Abu Ubaidah bin Jarrah was also one of the important companion, and he was also the from the 10 blessed companion. But he died before the death of Hazrat Umar. So that is why he nominated 6 people. So let's start studying them one by one. Okay, Hazrat Abdurrahman bin Auf, basically he withdrew his name from the selection. He said that I'm not willing to hold the responsibility of Khalifa, so that is why he withdrew his name, and actually he said but I can help you people to select a person from rest of the 5-1. Okay, that is why Hazrat Abdurrahman actually he started to have meeting with different people for the selection of the next Khalifa. And number 1, and number 2, Hazrat Talha. Hazrat Talha, he was out of city. He was not in the Medina at that time. So that is why he was not also in the list. Because it was a custom of the Arab, the successor must be chosen as soon as possible. Because without this, without a leader, without a political leader, it was difficult for them to spend enough time. So that is why the Hazrat Abdurrahman bin Auf actually thought that we need to choose the Khalifa as soon as possible. So 2 people were not in the list. Now we got 4 people with us: Hazrat Ali, Hazrat Usman, Hazrat Abdullah, Zubair bin Awam, and Hazrat Saad bin Abi Waqqas. So Hazrat Talha, Abdurrahman bin Auf started to meet them one by one, because he started to take the advice of everyone. He started to consult that who should be the Khalifa. When he met Hazrat Ali voted for the favor of Hazrat Usman. Got it? On the other hand, when he met Hazrat Usman, he voted for Hazrat Ali. When he met Hazrat Zubair bin Al-Awwam, he voted for both Hazrat Usman and Hazrat Ali. Got it? And last, when he met Hazrat Saad bin Abi Waqqas, he voted for Hazrat Usman. So this is how actually he consulted each and every member of the panel which was being made by Hazrat Umar. Okay, then actually after this, actually Hazrat Abdurrahman bin Auf started to have consultation with other prominent companion of Medina who were in the city, that he started to ask their opinion that who should be the Khalifa. Now actually the contest, actually it was between two people, Hazrat Ali and Hazrat Usman, but both of them actually voted for other people, Hazrat Usman voted for Hazrat Ali and Hazrat Ali voted for Hazrat Usman. So he thought that actually I also need to consult with the other member of the Islamic State. So he met with the people, he started to have argument with them, he started to consult that who should be the Khalifa and so many other things. He also discussed many things with Hazrat Ali and Hazrat Usman, Hazrat Abdurrahman bin Auf. Both people gave their own opinion. So in the end, after having consultation with different people, after the consultation with other member of the Islamic community, Hazrat Usman actually was elected as a Khalifa of Islam. Hazrat Usman actually he became the Khalifa because majority of the people favored the succession of Hazrat Usman, and he was declared to be the elected as Khalifa. So this is how Hazrat Usman became the Khalifa of Islam. Hazrat Abdurrahman bin Auf was the first to take the bayat on and pledge on the hand of Hazrat Usman, and Hazrat Ali was the person who followed Hazrat Ali actually also followed the example of Hazrat Abdurrahman bin Auf, and other companion also started to come and show their allegiance, show their bayat to Hazrat Usman, and Hazrat Usman became the third Khalifa of Islam in the 4th of Muharram 24 AH. So we studied that actually Hazrat Umar he got injured at the end of the month and he died on the 1st of Muharram. It is said, it is written in the history of pages that Hazrat Umar died on the 1st of Muharram. So on the 3rd of Muharram, 4th of Muharram, Hazrat Usman became the Khalifa of Islam and he held the office of Khilafah. So my dear student, that was the situation, that this is how he was elected as the Khalifa of Islam. You need to read from the book as I told you earlier and from the history of Islam, so that actually you might have the information regarding this event. Okay, tomorrow inshallah we are going to study next topic. Until then, Allah Hafiz.